First day of soybean harvest 2021, and we are right out here north of my house. Got one wagon almost full. We're using wagons right now instead of trucks, hauling into our bin. And I'm going over to get my wagon. They're a lot drier than I thought they were. Testing about I don't know, anywhere from 10.1 to 10.4, I think I heard on the radio. But we're going. I thought they were going to be a little wetter than that, but anyhow, I gotta go get my tractor. And here she is, my office for the next foreseeable future. Yeah, okay. Good deal there. I need some air conditioning on it. I guess it is on. It'll cool down. Rather warm out. I'm not sure what the temperature is, but the sun's sure hot and there's not much wind. But anyway, I gotta head out to the field. Just right there, just down the road. There's the Fox shop over there. And away we go. Had to wait for a couple of cars to go by there. Anyway, we'll boogie on down there. Take it a little easy on the grill here while we're getting warmed up. Well, I guess it is. It's fairly warm. All right, let's go. Dad had it out hooking up the wagons earlier, so it has been running a little bit. Might be getting a little bit of wind noise. And there goes the first load of beans of the year going to the bin. Got some little short rows here north of my house and south of my house. And then these beans, I don't think we're going to do, well, I don't know. I don't think we're going to do a whole lot today. It didn't sound like it's already, what time is it? 2:30, and I think that's right. So it's already 2:30, and these beans, they only go over to, you know, it's right in there, about where he combined the headland to. They changed to a different kind of bean over there, and they aren't ready yet. So, and I think the next field we'd be going to is, now it's a few miles, that's about a mile that way and a few miles that way. By the time we got there and got started, we're not going to get a whole lot done and then drive everything back home. And I'm kind of thinking this is probably all we're going to do today. Just wanted to get going. Looks like we probably could have been going 2-3 days ago. The beans are plenty dry. Probably shouldn't be recording this the very first time I pull in here, but I'll take it kind of slow. I don't know if I'm going to get lined up right. too far. Well, I think this will work. I think we're good. It takes a few times so you can just flip right in here and get it right. So anyway, we got to turn on the hydraulics. This wagon has a hydraulic door on it. And I'm too far forward. Told you it takes a few times. But luckily, I think I have plenty of time. I will back it up just a smidge. I might be too far away too, I don't know. I think that's enough.
Probably do the headlight down there to the key.
Yeah, I might be too far away though. We'll find out. And the door's not working. So not sure what's going on there. Let's see here. Now we're plugged into number 1. Let's see. Yeah, this is number 1. Should work. Should work. But it's not. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Well, what the problem was, if you push this down like that, you're in float. Get that off. And then the other one's called detent, where you push it forward and it clicks, but you don't push it down on it. I had it in float. It should work now. This kind of stuff happens every year. First time you do this kind of thing, just kind of forget from the year before. Little things. You get this back up and going. Should work. And I need to reposition. Too far away. I thought it would shoot it out there, but let me get this in place without recording. So I'm not sure what was going on there. Having a little bit of camera difficulty. The settings got all messed up, so I don't know if I caught everything or not. But anyway, getting this wagon unloaded. Boy, these beans are really dirty. And I can get in this gate now. Not sure how bumpy it is. Slow down. Be a little bit till I can get anything in my wagon. There's a combine coming. If you can see it. So I don't know if we're doing any more in this little patch today or not. It's almost 4 o'clock now. I kind of doubt it. It's gonna be. It's probably gonna be 6 or 6:30 by the time we get this done. And sun goes down what, 7:12 or 7:15 or something. After that, it might start getting tough. Beans start getting. The air starts getting a little damp, temperature starts going down, air starts getting moisture in it. It make things a little tough. But anyway, I'm going to stop right. Let's see. I don't want to get too much dust on me. Go on up here. Well, we got her pretty full. He's just going to turn around right here and go back the other way. I can get up to him. Well, I had a bit of an issue back there. I was going to record the combine beside me, and I don't know, there's some up there on the east of the Fox shop there. The rows kind of, they swing out and around, and a little more difficult to remove. A little more difficult to maneuver, and then got a rock stuck in the head of the combine, so yeah, we had to bust that out. Anyway, we'll the video production will get a little better as the harvest goes along, and it takes a little bit to get back in the groove of things here, but we're going. Right now it's 4:22. I don't think we're going anywhere else tonight. Who knows? I doubt it. But you never know. I'm only at 35%. It wasn't fully charged when I started, so need to make sure to charge my battery fully before coming out to the field. My bad. Anyway, I'm going to turn a little bit here so I can see what's going on. These beans out here, I think they're a different kind of bean or something. They got a lot of green left in them yet. And we don't have a lot of early beans, so I don't know what we're going to do after that. We don't have a lot of early corn either, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Got a big chunk of cement caught in the combine right up in this area. And then I got one dump in my wagon, and the combine came back up here and somehow found an big old wooden fence post. I'm not exactly sure where that came from. But it's in the combine. They couldn't get it out, so last I heard they took it over to my uncle's over there. I can't see on my viewfinder very good. Took it over there. Gonna try to use a chainsaw, cut it out of the head of the combine. I shouldn't take too long, I don't believe, but anyway, not a lot left here. Just up here in front of me, just over to there. Won't take very long, and then out here south of my house, back in here. Not a whole lot, but probably all in all going to ruin a couple hours. Combine decides to eat some more stuff, but hopefully that doesn't happen. But not a bad way to start off harvest. We got started at what, 1:30 approximately, and get done, I don't know, 7:30, I don't know, somewhere in there. So you know what, so 5.5 to 6 hours of combining today. So kind of an easy day, and I don't see us going anywhere else tonight. The sun's going to go down shortly after 7, and I just don't see us going anywhere else. But you never know, I've been wrong about that before. So that's about all I have for right now. I'm going to shut this off. Like I said, my battery's running low, and we'll get this finished up, I hope. Well, I see the combine finally made it back out to the field, so hopefully we don't have any more mishaps. Actually, that one probably wasn't that big of a deal. Just a pain. that hadn't happened, this all out here probably it'd be all done. But anyway, looks like we're back underway. Well, all we have left to do is just right here, and it's not going to take very long. Got I think I believe there's a round and a half. I think there's a round and a half left after he gets to this end, and that'll easily all go on this wagon. So I think that's all we're gonna do for tonight. It's 6:22. I think I got to replace a bearing of some kind on the combine or something. I don't know. Somebody's on the way to John Deere to get the part. So anyway, just about done here. I'll probably film just a little bit when I get into the bin site, and that'll be it. Well, we got in here to the bin site. Let's see if I got pulled in here halfway decent. I believe so. Here we go again. Not a very big load. That's it, boys and girls. First day of Harvest 2021 is in the books. It's not even 7 o'clock. It's starting to get a little cool and damp, but probably could have gone a while longer yet. But we got this done. We'll go to a bigger field tomorrow. Not a chance of rain in sight, so we're going to be going pretty much non-stop here for a while. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.